How cute is this?
Hi my videos! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. Yay! Look what I made today. Ta-da! Pink berry scones! Since it's quarantine pink food cooking, so it had to be something simple and easy. So this time I used this Trader Joe's mixed berry scone mix. Just add water. Just add water? I mean, really? It's literally perfect for quarantine. So I used this and I made this pink berry scone today. So please watch. I also made this pink honey buttercream as well. I want to try this while it's warm. So first you can watch how I did. Let's start.
Okay, let's start. So here I have Trader Joe's mixed berry scone mix. It says just add water. I'm like, really? And it still makes this yummy looking scones, you know? Only with just adding water, and if I could make this scone, that'd be great. But today it's quarantine pink food cooking. So of course I'm gonna make it into pink. Let's see the direction. You will need 1 package Trader Joe's mixed berry scone mix, 2/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon cold water. That's kind of odd amount. It says that. So okay, let me start. I still have some Valentine's Day color M&Ms. I was saving it for some bacon and I think I'm gonna use it today. So I will make it like pink M&M scone mix. So I see some berries here. It already smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And now I see more berries here. And first, I'm trying with some beet powder paste as always. Little beet powder, hot water. You know, I always tell you, with bacon, beet powder always turn the color darker, more like purplish color. So I think I'm adding beet powder paste today, but I also add a tiny bit of food color just in case to make the color more pink, you know. But that's optional. If you don't like putting artificial food color, you don't have to. So water first, and beet powder paste. And let's see the color first. And then I will decide if I put food color or not. It said mix with fork. I would say it's not pink enough at all. We cannot overmix, so I'm adding food color now. I know it says mix with fork because they don't want us to overmix, but actually mixing fork is not easy. My arm is getting tired. Smells so good. You know what, actually I'm thinking to maybe add a little more dried cranberries that I have here. So it's gonna taste super berry. See, it's super easy. It's totally quarantine cooking, I would say. So here I have some dried cranberries. Does it already have cranberry inside? Let me see. It says blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. That's it. Yeah, so it doesn't have cranberries. Okay, I would totally put it. Adding one more flavor. I am adding M&M. I'll put everything. That's a lot of chocolate. I don't want to break them. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, now it's getting cuter. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, I just noticed the red food color from M&M. It started melting somehow. It's crazy. So I'll do quick. It looks so ugly. I don't like it. So funny, the pink one has no problem. Yeah, seems like only red one has problem. So sticky. Hard to shape. Okay, I think that's good. It's supposed to make 10 to 12 scones total. I thought I was doing too big size, but looks like I think it's proper size. Now I'm gonna bake them in the oven. I think they look pretty cute. Looks not even, but I think it should be fine. Okay, let's bake them. 375 degrees for 13 to 17 minutes. So look, it's not even 13 minutes, but more like 10 minutes. It's been just 10 minutes actually. The color already started getting brown. Oh my gosh. Put it back into the oven. Actually, it's, you know what? Smells so good. Smells really good. Okay, more. I don't trust the timer anymore. Let's see. Even with this one, if it was regular scone, actually this much golden color is totally fine. But the color looks really pretty. I like it. Maybe let's wait for just a couple minutes and I think it's gonna be fine. Ta-da! Pink berry scone is done. This side is a little overcooked, but I would say they still look pink and they look pretty good. It smells so good. Yeah, it looks pretty yummy. Okay, let's eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of butter. Yeah, I will put some pink butter and gonna eat it. Okay, my lovely pink scone is still too hot, so let me make some pink butter first. Some bit butter here. And also, I add a little sugar. Not too much, just a little bit. And you know what? Here, I just got some idea. How about putting some honey? We just need some honey for scone. Okay, so I have pink honey butter. Ta-da! I baked pink berry scones today with honey buttercream. Let's try it. Again, I did small size for Barbie. Yeah, it's a little size. And we share the pink honey cream. せーの、いただきます. Usually I cut into one bite size, but you know, it's for video, I'm gonna just bite it. Mmm! So good. So I added some M&M today. And actually the M&M's, the coated part is almost gone, so it's not really pink anymore, but still pinky. Yeah, and the inside of scone is totally pink. I really love how it has full of berry flavor. It's crazy, it's so good. It tastes perfect with this honey buttercream. And it's even pink. I can totally finish this. It's so good. Too good. It totally goes with like afternoon tea, but also great for breakfast, for sure. I finally tasted the M&M part. It's so good. It melted in my mouth. I'm totally satisfied. I love it so much. It's so good. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like my videos. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.